This is Fair, one of the ESL teachers in the East Penn School District, and I wanted to welcome you and your family to East Penn and Macungie Elementary School. Throughout this screencast, I will be referring to this presentation, which is also loaded on the ESL website. Please feel free to come back to the presentation to click on the links for more information. Macungie Elementary School is located on Brookside Road in Macungie. If you need directions for the school, again, you can just click on the links that are embedded within the presentation and they will take you to a website with more information. The main office phone number is 610-965-1617. This is Macungie's website. The office hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the school hours are 9 a.m. to 3:20. The East Penn School District Administration Building is located at 800 Pine Street in Emmaus. You would refer to the administration building for registration purposes, for volunteering within the district. The superintendent's office is located there, as well as student services. These are all active links to their websites. When you're on any of the East Penn School District web pages, if you wish to translate to a different language, up in the top right you will see an icon that you can click on to choose a different language. This is a video where Mrs. Kita, another ESL teacher within the district, walks you through how to change the language as well as sign up for district emails. There is also a link here to sign up for those emails should you want to. When you click on this link, you need to provide your email address and your name, and then you can choose which of the emails that you would like to receive from the different buildings in the school district. Food services are managed by School Cafe within East Penn School District. The main school district food services page is linked here, but if you wish to load money onto your students' account balance, check their account balance, you can also apply for benefits for free and reduced lunch from School Cafe. And I just want to point out, just like the district website, if you need to change the language, you can do that up in the top right. School menus are located on the main district food services page, and I link them here. And if you're interested in information about free summer meals, there is also a link. At Macungie Elementary, there are 2 elementary ESL teachers. I am Mrs. Beth Fair, and the other ESL teacher is Mrs. Linda Williams. If you want information about the English language department, the link is here that will take you to the district website. And general information about the district can be found here. This is a video, and these videos are done in English as well as Spanish. The principal at Macungie Elementary is Mrs. Suzanne Vincent. She looks forward to working with all the Macungie families and collaborating and cooperating and communicating. If you wish to reach her, this is her email address here, svincent@eastpennsd.org, or of course you can call the office phone number to reach her. The 2 administrative assistants at Macungie Elementary are Mrs. Beatonby and Mrs. Slim. If your child is absent from school, please submit any notes or emails within 3 school days. If you need to pick up your child early from school, please write a note and they will do their best to have your child ready. If you're changing your child's transportation home, please provide a note. And to get makeup work for your child, you can contact the teacher directly. Mrs. Kafar is the nurse at Macungie Elementary. Here you will find links to important things that you will need to register. So for registration, there's links to the immunization records that children will need. Depending on your student's grade level, there are required health exams, and this document will walk you through what is needed. And there are links here to the school district's guideline for sickness, as well as their guidelines for dispensing medicine at school. If you want to contact Ms. Carafa, you can do that through her email or call the school. Dr. Deegan is our instructional support teacher. Dr. Deegan helps to support teachers. She assesses students and identifies their strengths and weaknesses. She provides suggestions to help students with their academics. Every child at the elementary level has a period of the day called WIN, What I Need. And so depending on your child's needs, Dr. Deegan helps teachers to determine what WIN placement students have. She also meets with families to discuss student concerns and next steps and completes student evaluations. Mrs. Bishop is our elementary school counselor. She supports with social emotional learning needs. She conducts classroom lessons on character and career. She conducts group or individual lessons based on a child's social emotional needs. She consults with and collaborates families and staff. She deals with community agency referrals and collaboration, and also behavioral support programming and data tracking. You can reach her at her email address, the school phone number, and her webpage is listed here, the elementary school counselor webpage. If you are a car rider or a walker, drop-off procedures begin at 8:45 in the morning, and all bus and parent drop-offs are at the main entrance. If you are picking your child up at the end of the day, the student dismissal is at 3:15, and you would pick your child up in the school cafeteria. You may enter through the main entrance between 3:10 and 3:20, and photo identification is required. If someone other than a parent is picking up a student, a photo ID is required, and the parent must submit a written note or call the main office. I hope that you found this information helpful. Again, I am Mrs. Fair, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will hopefully get you pointed in the right direction. As I said, this presentation will be posted alongside this screencast, so at your leisure, you can go through and get more information about the things that I discussed today. Thank you, and welcome to East Penn and Macungie Elementary.